Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be no foundation glam makeup tutorial. Today is also my birthday. Today is Sunday, November 4th, and I turned 26 years old today. I'm so happy, and I'm getting so old at the same time. I'm almost close to 30. Wow. Anyways, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting me and everything. I really appreciate everything you guys do. You guys keep me motivated, and hopefully the next 10 years my channel grows, because it's been the same number for the longest. I don't know why. I make so much fun videos. So if you want to see how I got this makeup tutorial, if you want to know more makeup videos, you want to learn about more makeup videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. I'm going to prime my face with my Milani Prime Protect SPF 30 face primer. This one comes like in a squeezy tube, so I'm going to take some just like that and just put it over my face to prime my face. I absolutely love this primer so much. It's so smooth. Love it. Since I'm using no foundation and this is like a no foundation glam look, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape tape concealer to cover these up, along with this one, because I definitely want to brighten it up with my Makeup Revolution Concealer Divine. So I'm going to be using both of them. I don't know why, but let's work this thing out. So I'm going to just go like this, and I'm just going to like cover, like I have dark spots right here and dark spots right here. And I'm gonna put here, and I have some like a mustache here, which is so embarrassing, but like that. And then yeah. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, which definitely needs to be washed, so don't worry, I'm gonna wash it. So now I'm just blending this out, and this is gonna be like for as a like a foundation, since it's like a no foundation look. Since it's my birthday, I'm going in with the Colourpop Disney Designer Collection palette. It's so beautiful. So look at these beautiful shades. So I'm gonna use this again. So I'm gonna use Trojan, this one first. Such a beautiful brown color. And then I'm gonna take this, whoa, this color right here that is called Poison Apple. It's gonna be all over my lid. And then for the outer corner, I'm probably gonna use this oval shade. It's like a lighter brown, and that's it. That's what I'm gonna do today. Something simple, something. So let's start. Okay, so taking this shade right here, it is called Trojan. So, and it's gonna go on the crease. Crease and all over the lid. Next, I'm going in with the shade that's called Up. Just gonna go in the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna carve my lids, the inner corner, just in the corner of my eye, with my NYX concealer part in. I'll be right back. So I'm going in with this beautiful purple shimmery shade that is called Poison Apple. It's gonna go in the corner of my lid. Now I'm going back to this concealer using my Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna like conceal under my eye, my under eyes. So, same thing with my beauty blender. So I did say no foundation glam, but I never said anything about concealer. Okay, so now for eyeliner, I am going in with this Cosmetics No Tug. This is the sample size. I'm gonna get the big one later, but I just love this one so much. It's so good. So let's zoom in. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicans Formula Butter Bronzer. I have been loving this, and I'm using it today. Whoa, I think I put too much. Use my Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is the gold shade. The name came on, but I definitely will put it in the description box. I love this so much. Going back to the eyes, I'm going in with my Sleek Makeup Extra Long Lashes Mascara. Brow bone, I'm using Ray. For the lips, I'm using Tarte's Lip Paint Shade Front Row. I absolutely love this for the fall. And since it's my birthday, I'm gonna use it. This is the color, like a burnt red. Love it. I'm gonna pop on my Eylure number 83 lashes, and I'll be right back. For my face, I'm using my Milani Make It Last. You can see I applied my falsies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed this No Foundation Glam Makeup tutorial. And yes, I'm 26 years old. Woo, woo. Almost 30. Wow, that's crazy. So give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully next 10 years I get at least 1,000 subscribers or more, because I make so much fun videos. And I hope you appreciate it. And if there's anything wrong about my videos that you don't like, please let me know. Comment, because I definitely will take you guys' advice if you want video suggestions. I'll do it, because I'm hopefully I'm gonna do a video on the Morphe 35M palette soon. So hopefully that will be up next week or the following week. So please look at it. So I'll see you in my next video.